American Line Single Edge Razor Blades 100 Pack 0.012 Heavy Duty High Carbon Steel for extra durability and long life 660448. For general purpose specialized cutting, ideal for scraping, trimming, and cutting projects such as removing paint and decals from windows, cleaning a glass stovetop, or industrial uses such as removing material buildup on machinery. Universal, single-edge razor blade fits all standard single-edge scrapers and box cutters. Trusted DURABLITY 0.012 Heavy-duty high-carbon steel for extra durability and long life. Easy to use 100 blades packed in a clamshell package for safe and convenient blade storage. Safe storage, each blade is individually wrapped and protected in shelling paper. Precision engineered using high-carbon steel, these blades are optimized for strength and durability and last longer than average single-edge blades. The .012 blade thickness and aluminum backing provide the durability required for the most demanding applications. Top reviews from the United States. Razor blades and not the El Cheapo ones. I am an automobile painter and picky about razor blades as I use them for all sorts of stuff, and when I tell you there are cheap ones and expensive ones, and if you know what to look for, there are good ones that are inexpensive.